here we are in the last hangar, which is actually the first hangar. We've worked our way backwards, a little bit backwards, so that makes sense. Canberra bomber, one of the first jet bombers ever to be made. Again, it would seem that conflicts give rise to big developments. Bombers in the Second World War were mainly, were all propeller driven. Korea, there was a requirement for a jet bomber. So they came up with this Canberra here. My grandfather actually was a wing commander in the RAAF and flew these and was actually part of the 617 squadron, which to anybody who knows about aviation history is the Dam Buster squadron. He wasn't in it at the time that the Dam Buster raids took place, but they're the best of the best and I'm so proud of that. He flew one of these. So when I've seen some footage inside the cockpit of these before, an awful lot of equipment, very cramped, 3-person crew. So you had the pilot up the front there, co-pilot behind him, navigator sitting in the nose there. This one you gain access through this door. In other ones, this nose opens up and the navigator gets in here and he's stuck in there then for the duration of that flight. Navigator and the pilot could exit, I believe, by ejection. The co-pilot that's sitting in a dicky seat up behind the pilot didn't have that luxury, so if an ejection was required, he actually had to leave the cabin first prior to the capsule being ejected, or he wasn't able to do so. This plane is a record breaker. It broke speed records, altitude records. It's got a large flat wing and it's extremely stable up at very high altitudes. So I believe it broke its record of about 70,000 feet back in the 60s, and NASA to this day own a number of Canberra bombers which they've specced up and increased wing length and things like this, but they use it for high altitude research and they say there is no better platform for such thing than the Canberra bomber. So yeah, pretty awesome machine, pretty awesome, and it's really cool for me to see it because my grandfather flew it and knew it really very, very well. What's going to tell you about this plane? Continued serving for years and years. It's been retired for about 20 years or so, but really quite a groundbreaker in so many ways and giving rise to so many more things after it. So yeah, awesome plane. If we look over here quickly, we've been here for hours and hours and all these people want to go home, but we're not letting them, so we want to get these filmed for you guys and they're happily letting us do that. Iroquois helicopters, which if you've seen any footage, real or movie from Vietnam, this will be synonymous with what you see. Quite heavily armed inside. It's been packed up now, but there's huge big machine guns outside. It could be fitted with cannons on either side, and it was used for just about every purpose throughout the entire war. If you look up to the back picture on the back wall there, I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but the helicopter in close-up on the left is 771, which is this very helicopter here. And then just here is like the MASH helicopter. Everyone would have seen that. It's called a Sioux. And they were also used during Korea and Vietnam. Could be fitted with cannons on the side, could be fitted with stretchers for casualties, but a very maneuverable aircraft again, and they were able to use this in just about every arena during that time. So thank you so much for joining us here today at the RAAF Vintage Air Museum. We have had an absolute blast and we cannot thank Vic and the other staff members enough. They have given us their time and their expertise. We've had an absolute blast. They literally are closing the doors behind us. So thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, share my video, share the heck out of it. Ring the little bell to get notifications of when we post a new one. And I'll see you next time. Come running with me. Bye.